Hi, beautiful soul. Hope you all are doing very, very well. And yes, today I'm very excited to have this reading for all of us. And today's topic is what you are manifesting in coming few days, or for few of you, it could be coming few weeks. So, yes, here are your options as usual. First one is the amethyst crystal. Second is the green aventurine, beautiful crystal. And third is the rose quartz. So you can just close your eyes for a minute, take a deep breath. You can either check which number you are getting attracted to or which crystal you are getting attracted to. Please do remember, all these are generalized readings. If you would like to have a personal reading, all the details will be in the description box. And if you feel connected, if you feel guided, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Yes, I am Girija. I will see you the other side with your reading. Hi, beautiful souls. Group number one, people, those who have got attracted to this amethyst crystal, here is your reading. So, as I was just tuning into your energies, I haven't opened the cards yet, but I am seeing a very good amount of money, especially, or some kind of abundance that you are manifesting in your reality. So that's really nice. And when we talk about abundance, it's not only the financial abundance, but for this particular group, I am precisely seeing the flow of money. So maybe you have applied for a loan, maybe you have maybe you are expecting some good amount of money, a lump sum amount of money, maybe from your business, maybe from your work. And yes, this is the thing that I am sensing. And also, as I am like filming this video, especially with this particular group, I feel that you have been through a lot to receive this kind of amount. Oh, okay. So maybe, for example, if you have applied for the loan, maybe you are expecting this loan to get sanctioned since a very long time, or there could have been certain difficulties with regards to documentation or with regards to whatever legalities it goes through. So, and also, if you are expecting to receive some kind of money, you are waiting for this from a very long time, is what I am seeing. Okay, so please do take whatever resonates, as this is the generalized reading and it's a timeless reading. So let me just open your cards and let's see what is coming through. All right. Okay. What I'm seeing here, for few of you, you are manifesting or you are attracting a partnership. All right. So it could be some kind of business partnership, or also it could be something with regards to your love life. And you have already met this person in some of your past life. Past life is coming through very, very strong. All right. And I'm seeing here that since a very long time you might have experienced a lot of alone time. All right. Understanding about yourself, understanding about life, understanding about universe in general. All right. And finally, I am seeing that after thinking so much, after questioning yourself, after questioning the universe, finally you are coming into more clarity. All right, this is a like laser sharp mind that has got the clarity, and it has took you a lot of soul searching, is what I am seeing here. And all that work that you have put in, that is paying off. And finally, I am seeing an amazing partnership that is coming through. For a few of you, I am seeing that you have experienced a lot of time alone when it comes to your love life, and finally you are attracting this soulmate or a twin flame, all right, which you were been waiting. And yes, this person belongs to some of your past life. You have already been with this person at some point of time. And yes, so when it comes to especially this card of lovers, the number 6 card, so number 6, uh, um, number 6 conveys so much of peace, love, all that kind of stability. 6 number is denotes all these attributes. And also here I'm seeing number 31, which comes down to 4, and 4 number is also about stability, all right. So a strong foundation, stability. So I'm seeing like you are manifesting an amazing relationship, all right. And with this hermit kind of energy, it was your karmic lesson, it was your karmic thing that you had to experience that kind of solitude, all right. So let me just check if we are getting anything else for this particular group. That's really nice. So I am seeing you are coming out of this particular energy. 8 of Swords. Maybe you have felt a lot of isolation, a lot of stuck kind of energy, and now you are ready for this new beginning. You are manifesting. I told you about money at first, right? So this is the money opportunity or the actual money that you are receiving. Also, for few of you, there are high chances that you along with your partner, with your husband or with your wife, there is some kind of joint venture that you might be working, or jointly you have applied for a loan or something on those terms, and that you are receiving, all right. So I am seeing that you are coming out of this isolation or out of this particular tied up situation, and now like things are opening for you, all right. Group number 1, this is all I have for you, and hope to see you soon. Have a very nice time. Thank you. Hi, group number 2. Namaste, people, those who have got attracted to this beautiful green aventurine. So, before looking into your cards, at first, as just I'm holding this crystal in my hand, I am seeing a deep sense of healing that is happening for this particular group. So, it is your physical body, it is your emotional, mental, spiritual body that is getting healed from some kind of trauma, all right. It also could be healing from certain illness that you might have gone through, or for a few of you it also could be some of your family members is experiencing this kind of healing from a particular illness. So this is what I'm getting from this particular crystal, and I will just check if I can sense anything. I am feeling that few of you here might have experienced something related to skin. It could be skin rashes, it could be something with regards to skin, and I'm just seeing that now you are releasing that particular issue and you are coming into a glow up. Glow up is something that I am listening, I am sensing. So please do let me know in the comment section if you have experienced anything related to skin, anything related to your health, all right. So let us just open up these cards and just check what you are manifesting, all right. So at first I am seeing that you are manifesting a great transformation, all right. For few of you it could have been a difficult transformation with the death card, all right, but now you are completely into a new kind of energy. So this death card is one cycle of illness or one cycle of sickness that you are ending, and now you are coming into more better energies. If you see this card of awareness, like here behind is the shadow and here is the new like emerged energy with beautiful colors. It is the energy of Buddha, like more more into peace, more into awakened state of consciousness is what I am seeing. And also your awareness is increasing, so there are high chances with awareness and with the message in the bottle. I am getting the vibe that you are manifesting some kind of message that you were waiting since a very long time. It could be a new job opportunity, it could be where you were waiting for something to happen and now you are manifesting that. As Four of Cups is the energy of waiting, is the energy of boredom, and also it's the energy, many a times it happens that everything is going well, but then too sometimes we don't feel that good. All right, so if anybody asks like what is the matter, so we don't have an answer, but in general there is this boredom or there is this sense of stuckness, or by choice we don't want to do anything. That is the vibe that I'm getting, which you are transforming yourself from that particular energy and you are getting into this beautiful energy of creativity. All right, so maybe this message that is coming through for you, that will gear up your energy into a great sense of creativity. For few of you, you also with the Death card and with the Empress card, I am getting the vibe that for few of you, you might have experienced difficulties in conceiving. All right, and that cycle is ending for you, that stuckness is ending for you. And people who are actually planning, there are high chances that in coming time you will manifest this conceiving. All right, so please do take whatever resonates to you. This is what I'm getting from this particular vibe. So I'm also like healing the earlier thing that I just mentioned. It also could be for few of you, it could be some kind of miscarriage or some treatment that you are going through, which might have given you that feeling of trauma to your physical body. That from that you are healing, and a universe is preparing you to come into the better energies towards whatever you would want to manifest. All right, so yes, let's check anything else if we can see. So there is this huge transformation that I'm seeing. I am also sensing you might have experienced a death of the near and dear one, like in the physical realm, and you are healing from that trauma. All right, so yes, for a few of you I am seeing that. And that experience of losing the near and dear one, that had put you into this kind of energy, and you are slowly coming out of that energy. Yes, 10 of Cups, that's really nice. One more card please. Yes, so with this transformation there is some change in your family that is happening. All right, so there is a great sense of healing, joy, abundance, love. Also there could be some kind of family gathering, family meeting that you are attracting. All right, that you are attending, or also it could be some kind of family function that you might have, that you might be getting the invite of. And for few of you, I'm seeing this love offer that is coming through, coming towards you. All right, so yes, that's really nice. So this offer could be like from coming through social media or a phone call or a message, and I'm getting the vibe that you already know this person. All right, for many of you, you already know this person. So yes, this is all I have for group number 2. Hope you liked it. You let me know. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like, if you feel connected to, because yes, we do watch the videos, but not necessary we subscribe to the channel. But you are most welcome if you are subscribing that, and even if you are not, thank you for being here. God bless you. Hi, group number 3, namaste. Hope you all are doing very, very well. People, those who have got attracted to this rose quartz, I love this. Yes. So before looking into your cards, let me tune into the crystal energy, tune into the collective energy. I am sensing that there is some kind of longing that is coming towards end, and you are manifesting the thing, you are manifesting the person or love of your life that you always wanted. All right, so it could be an absolutely new relationship, new love that you are attracting, or if you are already into the existing relationship, there is this deep sense of bond that you are deepening. All right, so with this rose quartz I am getting the vibe, and I'm also listening the word courage. All right, so all right, I'm just listening the word courage. Let's see what the cards are saying, so that I'll be able to connect the word courage, because I'm not getting anything again about that. All right. Yes, I am seeing two things over here. All right, so one is some kind of stuck decision that you are not able to take. You are manifesting the courage to take that decision. All right, because here we have two of swords with the card never ending stories. Never ending stories is number 37, comes down to 10. 10 is the number of completion, and so that you are into the phase of new beginnings. All right, and with the high priestess, wow, I'm seeing that you are manifesting a great sense of psychic ability, or your intuition is widening, it's heightening. So just just pay close attention towards your intuitions. They might come in the form of dreams, in the form of messages, in the forms of numbers, or suddenly you might listen to certain song, or someone talking about something, and that is the intuition, that is the thing that strikes your mind, and boom, it happens. So here, yes, you are ending this chapter of confusion, this chapter of indecision, and where you are coming into more kind of stable situation. All right, with 8 of Pentacles, I am seeing that whatever it is, you are receiving that. So for few of you it could be certain material things. For few of you it could be an idea which is lingering and you are taking the actions towards it. It also could be some kind of project, some kind of business that you want to manifest, and maybe you are not able to take the decision to go for it or not, and that was literally stressing you out. And with all that indecision, confusion, and not taking the action, you were into the energy of laziness. All right, many a times it happens that there are so many things to do, but we end up choosing nothing, and we just feel like relaxing on the couch and like I don't want to do anything. That kind of vibe I am getting. So yes, you are manifesting, like you are coming out of that laziness. I won't say laziness, but it is by choice. We don't choose to do anything. So you are coming out of that energy, and you are like, you know, going and receiving that thing that you always wanted. So with the High Priestess, I feel that you are also attracting some kind of course. All right, which will upgrade your skills, which will upgrade your knowledge, which will also upgrade your intuition. So I feel people who have got attracted to this particular group, you are already like psychics, all right? You could be into some form of healing. It could be crystals, reiki, or also tarot. It also could be some kind of spiritual practice that you are developing, or you already know. So there is some, it also could be like you are upgrading the levels of your spiritual thing that you are doing. All right, this one. Okay, so here I am seeing that you are coming into more stable kind of energy. All right, so with 4 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles, I am seeing more material thing that is coming in front of you. For a few of you, you might be planning to have a brand new business for yourself. All right, and that is the intuition that you have got since a very long time, and finally you have done your footwork, and now you are uh, going into that particular thing. Also, even group number 2 got this particular card, so you are very very high on your creativity. You are completing, like you are just letting go of this indecision and confusion, and you are coming into a very strong creativity. And for group 2, I didn't notice, but here is the full moon kind of energy, and today is the full moon. All right, so whatever material stuff that you want to attract, you can just like raise the intent today. That's the very nice thing that you can do it for yourself. All right, so I would like to pull one more card. I don't know why I am getting this vibe. Group number 3. See, abundance at the bottom of the deck, and here is the courage. So courage word, did I use it for this group or for group number 2? I don't remember. Anyway, this courage cards, like I just see like the dark energy over here. You were in that energy, and that energy was like divinely guided to you. It had meant to happen for you to bloom. All right, so this indecision, this confusion, or even laziness was very very important for you to experience that breakthrough. All right, so for me this courage card is nothing but the breakthrough. Like, it happens, series of things go wrong in our reality is what we pursue, but ultimately the end product is something really very amazing. All right, few of my clients, few of my friends who lost their job, or they opted to leave their job, and in that process they were not aware that they are weaving something else, and today they are having amazing started businesses. All right, and with that also they are into new jobs. So these are the things that happen. I myself, in this pandemic, I closed my fitness business that I was into, and like I am into this blooming business of spirituality, about healing, about tarot, crystals, and yes, this is how we flow when universe is showing us the path, or riding with the tide is what I could say. So yes, this is all I have for group number 3. Hope you enjoyed this reading. Please do let me know how do you like it, and hope to see you soon. God bless you. Thank you so much.